Welcome to the Honda Power Equipment video on how to unpack and set up your new EU3000iS Honda generator. The EU3000iS weighs approximately 134 pounds. Have a friend or neighbor help you carry it to a suitable work area. Here is a list of items you will need to complete the setup of your new Honda generator. A clean gas can with fresh gasoline, 1 quart of SAE 10W30 oil, 1 small funnel, a 10 mm socket and ratchet, and clean rags to wipe up any spills. Read the owner's manual to learn how to use your generator safely and take full advantage of your generator's features. Register your generator online at powerequipment.honda.com. Lift the generator out of the box and place it on a level surface. Every Honda generator is started and tested before it leaves the factory. After testing, the gas and oil are drained prior to shipping. Finding a small amount of residual oil or gasoline is normal. Honda recommends using Honda genuine parts for all Honda products. Open the maintenance cover and remove the dipstick. Use a small funnel to add 10W30 oil to bring the oil level up to the upper limit of the oil filler neck. When the oil begins to run out, the oil level is correct. Reinstall the dipstick, wipe up any spilled oil, and close the maintenance cover. Now you can remove the yellow warning tag on the key. The EU3000iS has an electric starter and is shipped with the battery disconnected. The battery is located behind the front cover and must be connected before the electric starter can be used. Remove the key and the front cover. 4 10 mm cap nuts located here hold the front cover on. The battery bolts and nuts are taped to the top of the battery. Slide a nut horizontally into the side of each battery post. Honda recommends installing a battery tender to keep the battery fully charged between uses. To connect the battery and tender, bolt the red tender lead and the red battery cable to the plus side of the battery. Then bolt the black tender lead and the black battery cable to the minus side of the battery. Make sure the battery bolts are tight. Reinstall the front cover with the battery tender lead routed under the bottom of it. Now you can maintain the battery's charge without removing the front cover. If you're not installing a battery tender, bolt the red cable to the plus side of the battery and then bolt the black cable to the minus side of the battery. Make sure the battery bolts are tight and then reinstall the front cover. Warning: gasoline is very flammable and the fumes are explosive. You can be burned or seriously injured when refueling. Always refuel your generator in a well-ventilated area with the generator stopped and away from any source of flames or sparks. Fill the fuel tank until the fuel gauge reads full. Do not overfill the fuel tank. Tighten the fuel tank cap and wipe up any spills before you start the generator. Do not use E85 or any fuel containing more than 10% ethanol. Before starting your generator, be aware that engines emit poisonous carbon monoxide, a colorless, odorless gas that you cannot see or smell. Carbon monoxide gas can rapidly build up to dangerous levels in enclosed or partly enclosed areas and seriously injure or kill you. Whenever you run your generator, make sure it is located outside, far away from any doors or windows. To start the generator, make sure the eco throttle switch is off, turn the fuel valve on, and pull the choke knob out. Then turn the key switch to start. After the generator starts, push the choke knob in. Allow the generator to run for 2 to 3 minutes before connecting any appliances to it. Turn off or disconnect any appliances before turning off the generator. To stop the generator, simply turn the key switch to off. Then turn the fuel valve to the off position. This concludes the video tutorial on how to unpack and set up your EU3000iS Honda generator. Refer to the owner's manual for clarification and more detail on the processes shown in this video. For additional resources, visit us at powerequipment.honda.com.